Go ahead.
Hey! We're somewhere stupid, you know?
Oh, look at that. What's that called again?
The goat?
A sheep.
Meh.
Bah!
Dude. Meh. What?
Oh, the rooster.
Meh. Meh. They look at the chicken on top of the.
Oh, he's so cute.